So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to make a flip book of a cityscape, if that's what you want to call it. So first of all, you would want to take your paper this way and then fold it in half. Once it's folded, you want to grab yourself a scissors. It could be of any size or any shape or anything. And where you want to have your building, you're going to cut it on two sides, sort of making a square. And you want to make it as even as possible. Now when you open it up, you'll see it's not quite right, because first of all you want to fold it one way, and then you want to fold it the other, and then if you put it back to normal, then you open it up and fold it there, you should see it's like one little building there. Now you could put anything on it, you could cut something out, or what you could do is you could go back to this original shape and just cut another one of those squares inside of this little one. And then once again you fold it both of those ways. You open it up, fold that one out, and now it's a little dip inside, which you could put something in it. And now you want to repeat it until it looks like this, or at least something like this. So some of you might notice that when you fold it, it might go over a little bit, but that's okay, because when we get near the end of this, you'll see that there's another way to solve that problem, so that even if it's sticking out, when you're opening it up, you don't even see it. So once it looks like this, you should get some type of shapes, any types of shapes you would like to have on these buildings. Say you want some bricks, then you might cut out a square about this size from the bottom up to here, and then you can draw bricks on it, or you could do anything really. You could make windows, you could make a door, you could do anything you would like. So then we first need to get our shapes cut. Fast forward. Get your colours. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take it from where you see it, and then you're going to trim down the sides. Whichever way is nice for you. If you want, you can take something out of your colours. Choose a pen. Colours. And then mark where it's meant to be. It can be a little hard to draw. we try to draw as straight as we can on that mark. Then we take our scissors and we cut that line out. And if we line that up, oh, it's not quite straight yet, just a little bit there. Then you cut that little piece out, just like so. Now we see, is it about straight, lining up with that? Almost, that's close enough. Now we look on this side. It's not quite. Or what we can do, if that looks straighter, we can go like this. Move it to that side. And then draw a line. You can just make a little mark. And then from where you see,
because it would be easier to do
now
it
we
that
see,
way.
Is that? Yeah, that's about right. Now we see, ooh, about there. That's the top. We want it just under, so maybe there. And you take it and you cut that little piece off. Now, is that right? Yes, that looks about fine. And then you repeat it with all the other colours. They should eventually all look like this. All about the right size, just able to fit. But now some of you might be saying, look, there's marks on there. Everybody's going to see that. Well, the simple short answer to that, flip them around. And then they should all be fine when we colour them in. This one looks like it's going to be quite good of a brick building. So we'll do that now. As you can see, I've finished colouring this officer's thing in. Then what you want to do is get yourself a glue stick. Then you want to stick it onto there. And then you want to repeat with all of the other ones until it looks something like this. Or the buildings might look a little different, but there you go. It's something a bit like this. So now people are probably wondering, what's this little dip for? And why do we even have it? Well, we're going to turn this into a balcony. So we're going to take our pieces of paper, put it on there sort of, but it's going to be a little bit of cutout and everything. Then we're going to draw a balcony on this piece of paper, put it on each one. But if any of you don't want to put a balcony, or it doesn't fit the type of buildings you've done, you can always just slot it back like nothing even happened. And then we can continue like that. So once you put on the balconies, it should look something like, or even maybe like that, or even maybe like this. So you could choose different designs which you might want it to be on, different designs for the railing. And then we're moving on to the final part. So now what we're going to do, we're going to close it. And we're going to see here, there's loads of holes in it. And we don't want anyone seeing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some more paper. And we're going to fold it so that it just folds over that little piece that's sticking out. And that it covers the holes. So now from here, we're going to cut it. And it should look something like, so that we have cut it on the fold. And now it covers up everything. Then what you're going to do, you're going to grab your glue. And you're going to glue it, this piece of paper, onto there.
They're sticking onto these.
Onto every little bit here. So eventually it should
This.
look like. So now it looks completely normal, like a normal book. Some people might want to do it layered so you can't even see that at all. Now we want to repeat this on the other side. So that's what we're going to do. And then we'll do a final showcase, what it should look like. Book opening up. Oopsie. Get that round. Book opening up. And there you go. All your things. Quickly gonna repeat it on this side. And that should be all
Well
good.
done, everybody. If you've made it this far in completing the flip book, it's closed and then it opens. And there it is. All our 3 buildings. You could have made more. You could have made them taller. You could have made them shorter. Which I don't understand why it would go shorter. Would be. But the decision's up to you. They're balconies. Or if not wanted balconies, then that without that. Wait, that could be like a barbed wire. I didn't think of that. But well done, everybody, if you've made it this far in completing this little tutorial on how to make a flip book.